Okay, ich meine, so am Ziege macht der Stream, du. So am Ziege macht der Stream.
Biden leaving the White House to make his journey over to the United States Capitol for the inauguration of Donald Trump. We're going to tell you more about that right after a quick word from our sponsor, Oracle. We'll be right back.
Even if you think it's a bit overhyped, AI is suddenly everywhere.
So am Ziege macht der Stream. So am Ziege macht der Stream, חבר'ה. A copyright strike, ja, ich habe es noch keinem gehört. So haben wir es darf gegetin. So am Ziege macht der Stream. Shia. Hello and welcome. So am Ziege macht der Stream. That was the weirdest thing. Ich habe viel nicht gewusst. So haben wir gegeben als eine kleine pitchy warning bei der Corner und so haben wir gelost reden zu der Wand. Aber sei eine Schnellhand auf dem. Like real quick. Let's ban YouTube. Der guy in das Team ist da mal ganzen Tag, so I guess wir dürfen watchen das. Es ist nicht funny, weil es ist interessant, dass es nicht national public news, if you know what I'm saying.
In many ways, the most Trumpy of the Daily Wire hosts. You're often accused of being sycophantish by me.
You can hear your power pumping? No. Mein Herz pumpt nicht, at least habe Herz.
The most bullish on President Trump's chances all the way back to 2020 that he would come back.
If you still have money signed next to the smiley, you are still good.
But happy for the country.
You make a great point. I do seem very right and handsome and lively and exuberant. I think there's a
What's
lot
now?
to what Ben just said. This is a point I have been hammering since.
Und ich kann nicht so, als I demonetizen the stream.
To me, the phrase
But the question is,
phrase of this administration.
Warum haben sie Ziege gemacht, der Stream?
Common sense. Ben, when you say
Matt looks great,
you
yeah.
were more conservative.
It's time for the right to shine, as they say.
Now there is a kind of deep conservatism to even to the notion of common sense, but there are a lot of people who voted for Trump who did not ever vote before or who had voted for Democrats, who've never read Russell Kirk or Edmund Burke or Hayek or anybody, who just kind of have a gut sense that something was wrong and Trump was kind of going to make it right. And
Maybe someone reported it. I have no idea. Ich weiß nicht.
And I think that's good.
Sie sucht man nicht. Sie geht sich just als ein Hack up.
Apply reason to our political intuitions.
So, jetzt bin ich auf Daily Wire.
To the worst leftist revolutionary.
Lass mal sehen, als
One guy in particular, Antonio Gramsci, who observed that a revolution can only succeed if it holds the common sense, and the left totally kissed that away.
But wouldn't that be
today, and the theme of his admin, that we're going to be normal. It's okay to be normal, guys. We're going to use common sense. We're going to defer to the wisdom of our ancestors and the things that have just kind of worked out before. If he can do that, he is going to hold not only the center right, he's going to hold the center left. I think he could even expand that new coalition.
Well, you saw the executive orders. I mean, he's supposed to issue some 200 executive orders today. Now, listen, as a fan of constitutional government, not a fan of that many executive orders, but that is a perfect response to what the Democrats have done in centralizing executive power since the Obama days. It was Barack Obama who, after he lost Congress, said he would rule by pen and phone. And then it was Donald Trump who tried to reverse many of those things. And then it was Joe Biden who expanded it radically. Yep. Joe Biden issued more executive orders while he was president than any president of our lifetime for his 4 years. And now Donald Trump has to
Hold on, ich drehe noch zu gut, wenn Sie wie ich kann watchen. Drehe noch zu gut, wenn ich kann watchen the Inauguration live of public domain. So, bin ein bisschen... Sie haben Ziege gemacht, the stream. Sie haben mir gesagt, Copyright. But ob einer weiß, wie ich kann es watchen auf Public View. Lass mal sehen, wie heißt das? Wie heißt die Kamera? Ich habe gedacht, machen noch ein Stream. So, ich habe gedacht, noch ein Stream.
Now, the thing, you know, if I want to speak pragmatically about Trump for a second, the thing that the big risk, I think, for Trump.
Just imagine the threat, was sie gedacht haben, nicht, was sie machen in draußen.
The one cautionary note is.
Aber ich will sagen, denke ich an, was sie zurückgekommen.
Over the long-lasting systemic change, because I think that there are going to be a lot of.
Ich gebe mal lash offs. So sorry about that, Trevor.
The big thing that he was elected to do was, for example,
steht Monday, January 12, 2025. There's no live streaming.
President Trump knows that. I think his cabinet knows that.
Do is the live in the White House, but sie nicht do. News nations don't put the Trump or inauguration.
Congress and ostensibly a majority on the Supreme Court.
YG, hello and welcome.
Back behind these
This is in the
executives
rotunda.
by a lot of them in actual law. And if they don't do that, I'm worried that
Trump's
Congress
YouTube
will
channel?
become a vestigial organ that is incapable of passing
What was that?
legislation.
He's also shown that he's learned something. I mean, he staffed his administration this time. He didn't staff it at all last time and essentially allowed the Republican Party to staff it with people who hated him. Now he's got people who love him, and I think that that's an important thing. They keep saying
Ich sehe, du weiter rein der.
How you could have a really large ceremony inside in the rotunda specifically.
Und man sieht any
96 foot
issues.
diameter,
Change the title name.
108 windows.
Okay, makes sense.
Oh, for
Let's do this.
Well, it's
One-
360 degrees. And
Ich ga change sie
and one of the
live
facts
with
we always
Viggy.
tell the
Kann ich
kids
kann
is
bereiden.
you took
Met das Like
the
noch dem, was
Statue
kommt
of
darauf.
Liberty off her pedestal.
Okay, ich gehe auf die Idee.
You
Please,
could
please don't do that.
please don't do that, but if you did,
Makes sense.
you could fit her inside the
Make it
Capitol
in Yiddish.
rotunda, and she'd still have almost 30 feet.
Einer
to
will mir das
spare.
geben als Schraub in Jiddisch.
So, Tim Cook has just come in.
Oh, ich habe gesehen, wie er heißt, der Head von Google mit Elon Musk reden. Oh, der kleine Trump dort.
Few options when you come in. Go where you're assigned.
We wekken
Please
du.
follow your tour guide.
Please
Ich
follow
habe
your tour guide.
gehört, we weg is,
We heard that.
will laufen für Governor.
Speaking
Make it
of
in
tours, are we
Yiddish.
touring tomorrow?
Nein, nicht der Live mit Viggy. Der President Inauguration. Wieso schreibt man das?
Capital
Da fragen ein Schreiber auf
goes
Jiddish.
on
Die
holiday,
Ignoratia von
such as
El Presidento.
Thanksgiving, Christmas, New
Former
Year's.
Vice President Mike Pence arrives at the
However,
inauguration.
we would have been open today on this.
Live inauguration von Trump.
day in
Okay.
which Martin Luther King Jr.
Lass mal sehen, sie sich geht
If it wasn't that
beschlossen,
great,
das auflegen.
we would have been
In other
here.
words, we'll be open President's Holiday,
Right.
the third Monday.
Aber sie ist ein Tag, mach sag gell.
Open Memorial Day, 4th of July. Please check our website, visitthecapitol.gov.
Lass mal sehen, wie schnell YouTube ist.
Operations for tomorrow.
Oh, Mike Lawler. Hello, Mike Lawler.
Sounds right.
Doe hinten met hem screen. Met hem screen doe hinten. Ik ben excited wenn ich sehe Mike Lawler. Aber setzen er. Ich meine, geworden einer von den Top 5, was ist von beiden Seiten. Marjorie Taylor Greene, schmiss du. The Jewish Laser Conspiracy.
Emily Love is with us. We are happy to present on behalf of CHASIC the 60th inauguration. President-elect Donald J. Trump will be sworn in by.
Das ist der 60. Oh, scheine Nummer. Hillary Clinton walked in. Wie ist Hillary Clinton?
Another 45 minutes.
Straight to jail.
Associate Justice Brett Kavanaugh will swear in Vice President.
Ich glaube, für alle Menschen, was sie doen, alle Menschen, was liken, I really appreciate it.
Between that time, a lot to observe, including the announcement of the Supreme Court justices.
Oh, is er Glick? Hello and welcome.
We have the luncheon that we're going to feature now.
I'll be right back. Moshi, hey, how you doing? I'll be back in a minute.
In the president's room,
President's rooms.
there's a lot.
There's more than that.
And we're going to be with you for it all.
Thanks. We've been 2 hours just like that.
Flew by.
2 hours. Have you ever given a tour 2 hours?
Yes?
My goodness.
Yes?
There's
Have you, Ron? I think you have.
oh, so get me started. I might do it after this broadcast. I'm feeling motivated.
We're looking out. This is a great, this is a view that we get to see a lot.
Yes.
On the right-hand side is the Library of Congress, biggest library in the world. And then on the other side, third branch of government, the Supreme Court. You know, the Supreme Court used to be in the Capitol building all the way until 1935.
That's hard to believe. In just another, 11 years, will be the 100th anniversary of the modern day Supreme Court. You're going to hear the name President William Howard Taft a lot.
All right, and sind wir zurück.
A lot. Case Gilbert, the architect.
Oh, kick on the Air Force One, the chopper.
You're going to hear that
Shine.
name a
A
lot.
second. Und das
Speaking of
Rücknahme.
President Taft, I think you mentioned this earlier about weather with President Taft in 1909.
The most secure plots I would say, in the world.
Yeah, they had a big blizzard.
You forgot to say Mother Nature is calling.
Everything in
I didn't forget. Habe es noch nicht gementioned.
But
Ich dachte, es ist free. Like, I should be ready. Na, aber ich habe mich ungetrinkt, aber es war Vater. Trink nach Sag Wasser. I went out for a walk. Es ging nach der Gedi Wetter an.
Unbelievable today, but you know, now they have their own building.
Emily, we're having a moment here in which we're about to observe the departure.
Of wem, man?
Ah, yes. Look,
Oh, met aufgeset lights
set
toe.
up for the-
Dit is een veel lichtig,
set up
met
for the
set off
departure
lights.
is
Is das
at
lights?
the moment. So you see Marine One.
Der Rebbe ist raus in Klasse. Oize, der Rebbe ist schon lang zurück.
Yep. So that is. There was a question as to whether or not the weather would be good enough today for Marine One to take off, but it has been cleared, so we're.
Kijk on de blades. De blades schakelen zich.
Oh, and it sounds like we're taking our seats in the rotunda. I heard.
Ga nu als indoor. Boerig Schwarz.
It's that time. 11.
Hello and welcome. Oeh, shine rotonde. Maar dat maar overzoomen on top. Dat maar overpannen to the top. Is deze Baron Trump toe? Nee.
Beginning to see people, you know, they were going around shaking.
Where's
hands.
Trump now? Most probably in the back.
The seriousness of the moment.
Daar komen jetzt on.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time,
Oh.
please be seated.
Be seated. Nachman. Hello and welcome. Good morning. Schön, dich zu sehen, du.
Lovely.
Hab Noah.
Nice touch.
Ich gehe für jeder eine, was es du.
We're gonna preview
Machten
some
de
of
Frieden
the
de Viggy?
things we're going to see in just a few minutes, and of course, they'll come up on your screen. But we're looking forward to having a call to order.
This is a
Amy Klobuchar, who
andere Mine, wie heißt das?
head of JSIC, the Joint Committee.
Einer hat mir geschickt
Also invocation by
a link
Cardinal
zu
Dolan,
andere
Frank
inaugurations, but der gehen es
We're also
Schiech hat gesehen, aber sie gehen mir zu machen, also wir sind früher zu gemacht. So, ich bleiben auf dem.
singer from New York named Christopher Macchio. He is going to be singing
Well,
later.
Tenor, yes. It was, speaking of opera singers, it was Jesse Norman in 1985.
Okay, let me do name.
Graced the rotunda.
Isn't that history though? We're going through history over
And,
here.
country music star.
Viggy, do you enjoy
Christopher
YouTube or you just want to try to make money? What do you mean?
So
Wer will nicht machen Geld en ich enjoy YouTube?
pomp and circumstance.
Die wil ik hem gaan.
It's a very
Deze
important
gerecht,
event,
Jens gerecht. They're all Gucci.
for America.
CG.
Also, a lot of
Hello and welcome. Schön, dich zu sehen.
On the East Front, it was showing the preparation for the departure. Again, this is
This sounds so intimate, by the way. They inauguration, like says jeder eine kennt sich. Sind schon auf dem Gas, bloß nicht kein Wind.
and that's a ceremony. That is
The market is off, man? Nope. Martin Luther King Day is hand ook het geven.
President,
So MLK Day
President Biden
plus Inauguration Day. The market vermacht.
departed.
Ich weiß nicht, was sie vermacht. Sie MLK, sie für die Inauguration.
We'll talk about this later. 50 years of service.
Send you a link on the fax machine. Should arrive anytime.
Something to reflect
Celebrate.
on.
Mordechai, Sean. Hello and welcome.
I'm just drawn to the Library
Watching
of
live
Congress
perfect
in the background.
watching live from Perfect Restoration.
I've
Cheers.
heard that the
Ah,
Supreme Court is going to
hello, hello.
shortly.
Hallo de ganze team.
They have such a long trek from across the street
I would like to see Moshe Margaret live in the Rotunda.
to come to the Capitol building.
Oh, they didn't walk, but it is
Simcha Rez.
lengthy.
Hello and welcome.
But it is
Guten Sie Morgen. Schön dich zu sehen.
Of course, we have the old Supreme Court. We were talking about that a little bit earlier. On the first floor, on the Senate side of the building, we get to
So
go
many
in there,
Suburbans.
quite a bit.
Wat daar aangebrengt, dat proef en geven naartoe, dat is ook staan. Sam, 1478.
We'll talk about this.
Abel, guten Sie Morgen. It's dark now. What time is it called for? 12 was eiger.
Here we go. So next should be the Supreme Court justices.
Adams is getting pardoned in a few hours. Lass mal sehen.
Emily, the painting to our left, Saratoga, New York. The painting to the right, Yorktown, Virginia. We'll get to those a little
Ich hab's dir gesagt, the left picture du is for New York. Ins Leben mit New York Menschen leben in the history of the United States.
Right.
Chesky Brown, you're way too kind. Good morning and welcome. Your room is going to be the best friends to ever have. Explain.
Inside the
Philosophy, I shouldn't have asked. To explain. Yossi, welcome.
Three branches of government here today. The legislative branch is hosting, but the executive branch, the judicial branch.
We have volunteers that work with us that are here today, so everyone contributing. And you, those of you that are watching our YouTube broadcast, thank you for your patience. Music playing, that means just give it a second or two, right?
Did you watch yesterday's Ask? Nope.
It's hard to believe just
Hab nicht gewatscht.
Carter, Lane and State.
Right. A very different ceremony, a very solemn affair. And thousands of people came to give their condolences.
Is it sounds like you can American flags? So it's that from the half staff, full staff.
We're celebrating
Nice.
our government.
Yes.
What we're
False is
supposed to do.
just received pardon from Biden. Yep. And the funny part is, I thought they didn't do anything bad. So who darf man sie pardonen? It's so powerful a pardon. I feel man trefft später, I guess, any type of issue is so wie Ili lema freie. C'est gut nicht.
How many
The power from the
have
White
here?
House.
You know, we're on the
In the presidency, huh?
Washington, D.C., but people came from literally all over the country to be here today.
World.
You kann nicht kein Filter on.
In some cases, the world.
I got no filter on.
And that people from all around the world.
It's a blank
watching,
pardon,
of
huh?
course, but that Congress at its core, it's supposed to represent the people. That's in the preamble of the Constitution. We the people, and so here we have people from every corner of our country coming together to show
Infrared.
as a nation.
Nope. Kann ich kein Schimmfilter umgezogen. Ich habe just eine Kamera zur Arbeit.
100 years from now.
Kurz haben sie gesagt, dass keiner kommt nicht schon. Die Bushes, und jetzt einer sagt mir, du hast, die Bushes kommen nun, alle kommen nun. Ich wollte gewissen andere Pictures,
There are new things about
but
the ceremony that I never
so am
thought
Fried
would
Ziege macht man,
happen. The Space Force.
am Ziege macht man live. So ich will nicht noch einmal,
Part of the pass and review of the military later for the very first time.
you know what I mean?
So, the Constitution can be amended. That's what the founders wanted. And so we change as the world changes, as our country changes.
Emily, June 6th of last year, I attended a ceremony. The astronauts who are flying over the moon later in the year with our friends in Canada, the lead commander said, when your children,
And not coming for lunch, everybody's coming for the ceremony.
when your
Good
grandchildren
choice.
fly from Mars to the moon to here.
Yoni. Hello and welcome.
Came from the moon. They planted it.
I'm doing all right. I'm doing very well.
Oh, it's not a spruce. It'll come to me. It's sweet gum. It's a sweet gum. A tree was planted last year, and you mentioned Space Force, and I couldn't help but think the astronaut said, this is going to be in the future. And
Yeah.
so,
And I think right now we're going to listen in.
Fox has the best coverage. Yeah, but the problem is, as I am früher Ziege gemacht.
I didn't know they were going to play this, but
We are back. Yep. The sound, Mr. de Ritondo, is beautiful, versus such as a couple. Just the sound bounces off. The orchestra is doing all the way there. Die alle Menschen wollten gewinn verfreuen in draußen. Ah, Laura Loomer da. We're actually getroffen, wenn ich bin gewinn in Washington. Sie ist sehr niedrig, by the way. Oder bin ich sehr hoch? Whatever the mensen this on Zoom.
Ladies and gentlemen, former Vice Presidents, the Honorable Dan Quayle, accompanied by Mrs. Marilyn Quayle, and the Honorable Michael Pence.
Michael Pence. Denk hem er even aan. Human Realist. Hello and welcome. Weißt alte Vice Presidents, wer gedenkt? Mir da ja. RSBN. Para. Lass mal das geben mal try. Sie haben bis derweil derselbe Shot. Ich liebe den Code auf der rechten Seite, der grey Code,
Ladies
hege
and
mir.
gentlemen, the 42nd President of the United States,
Oh.
the Honorable William J. Clinton, accompanied by the Honorable Hillary Rodham Clinton.
Sie raten. Ai. Früher habe ich gehad Fax umgezündet, so man zieh gemacht live. ZJ, whoa. Thank you so much. Thank you, ZJ. And by the way, Trump's family is royal. Ja, ich habe es gesehen bei der Arlington Memorial Nächten. Family B, whoa. Thank you so much. Thank you. Much appreciated.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 43rd President of the United States,
Oei.
the Honorable
Wie
George
wacht er?
W. Bush, accompanied by Mrs. Laura Bush.
Kijk on hem smirk, hè? De Texas smirk. Blijven eens de mensen in Irak klatschen jetzt. Maar, wer bin ich? Mamze. Yep, we gotta have one of those. Is this Kai Trump dort in the back? Kijk das also, sie hat ihre eigene YouTube-Channel. Oh, en wie heißt der? Verwecke, du. Ist aufgeweckt. Ladies and gentlemen. The 45th.
Ladies and gentlemen, the
46th.
44th President of the United
Oh, ja,
States,
vergessen von ihm.
the Honorable Barack H. Obama.
Wie ist Michael? Wie ist Michael? I guess she's busy working out. Oh, du hast der argentinische President, du in der Back. Afrero, hat er geschrien. Mit jedem feiern. How nice. And by the way, stell dich vor, von die aus marriage issues, stell dich vor, du bist der President of the United States und Abab will nicht gehen zu der Inauguration. So, wenn sie will nicht gehen zu der Bar Mitzvah, don't worry. Was ist geschehen?
Ladies and gentlemen, the Chief Justice of the United States, the Honorable John G. Roberts, Jr., and the Associate Justices of the Supreme Court of the United States.
Oh, wie heißt der? Wenn ich lieb gehabt. Oh, man. Just by the way, kijk on the age van die mensen. Deze zijn de mensen die maken dan alle laws. Okay. Kijk on Hillary. Dat is falsche. Viggy, die hast is besser was it in? Nope. That's exactly. Slowly, die hast auch is besser was it in? So die halt mega food in public? Good for you. Feeling better today, Slowly? Much better. Okay, Slowly. Excellent. Good for you. Oh. Wie sei weiß ich? Man redet nicht? Scheine Hitler. So noch nicht mal, aber mal gesagt, das ist etwas gibt zu suchen, so gut nicht. Sind wir ready? Scheine Hitler. Do it 1090. Why are the Democrats, the Trump, they would be. Warum nicht? Hello and welcome. Ooh.
Baron Trump.
Baron Trump is the winner. Kijk aan, komt eraan door de sleek guy Eric. Baron, wie zei de andere? Guess is dat noemen. Kijk aan Ivanka, ze gaat ongeveer wie de 1940s. Oh, and Elon Musk. Hold on. Have a special offer, Elon Musk. Fanboy speaking here. Mooi wat we boys zijn. Look of the fees. He is huge. Ja. is een 17 fees hoog. Elon hat gut nicht mit Democrat. Democrat? Okay, slowly. We are all okay with an opinion. Idel, hello and welcome. Zwei Big Talak. Schreib es in Englisch. Sehr gut, slowly, es ist okay. Okay. Two big talkers. No problem. No problem. So, ich habe eine question. Wie viel Rackets von Dans hat zurückgelernt? Wie viel von deinen Cars fuhren? Wie viel Patience hast du, wo die strang like etwas in den Kopf? Wie viel Mal von Tunnel hast du schon gegruben? Ah? Der wahrste Videos, das gemacht, ist sie der Coffee. Nevel fuhren zu Mars. But, der Redder. Und die bist der Tier. Ah? Okay, darf mal beruhigen. Ich bin Starlink. Ich habe ganz vergessen Starlink, just imagine. Wenn ein Mensch ownt nur Starlink, hat er eine große Sache. No one needs Mars? Water, deine opinion. We good with that. Das ist in der Rosen von der Rittande.
Escorting Dr. Biden and Mr. Emhoff, the Republican
Chill,
staff
Viggy.
director of the Joint
Bis gerecht.
Congressional Committee on Inaugural Ceremonies, Ms. Emily Leviner.
Leviner?
Senate Secretary for the Minority, the Honorable Gary Myrick. The
Koiden
House
kommen dann alle Gabon.
Chief Administrative Officer,
Und nachdem kommen wir an der Richtige, der Ebbes.
and Mr. Bruce Fisher.
Mr. Bruce Fisher. I also haven't planned to go to Mars. Family B. Har gewiss, die hast
Ladies and
secret
gentlemen,
up-dance
Dr.
lead.
Jill Biden and Mr. Douglas Emhoff.
Doug ist der nicht nur als hat verloren, darf noch heimgehen mit ihr. in Sommer almost ihr gehabt, almost as a president. Und darf noch heimgehen mit ihr. Oi, wei. Mein Herz geht alles für ihn. Aber ich weiß, ich bin ein bisschen biased, wenn es kommt zu Elon Musk. I know that. Du darfst sie alle spielen, Friends. Du darfst sie alle sein, Friends. What means bias? Da treffen eigentlich einem in der Crowd, wo es ping, sie dachten sagen hello, like, oh, hello, oh, hello. Ich bin sicher, wenn ich als einer auf der Stage oder in derselbe Sache. Meistens ein Coping-Mechanism. Gerade, wenn man hat ein paar Dollar, kann man viel in der Welt. A, weil die siehst das. In B, ist doch da, wo ich das suche. Die Zahle läuft mir das noch. Oh, Kushner. Wo sagt man so Kushner? Wo sagt man nicht, I guess Eidemer sind. Oh, Mark Zuckerberg. Du in der Back, der Zuck. Und du hast Larry Page, Google. Wow. What an inauguration. Kijk on the backing was hat. Eine donate a chandelier in a shield, get man covered malocham. So I think, you know what I'm saying? Do eine mit a couple do, all the way to the left. Die Haus, das Bern bekommt zurück sein alter Raum, oder jetzt ist es schon älter, kann er schon choosen, ein neuer Raum. Schmuel Laufe. Hello and welcome, schön dir zu sehen. Ständer nicht pinklich in Mitten? Der OCD, ja? The camera, meine ich, the camera angle ist nicht, da verrieken die Kamera ein bisschen mehr links. Weil es ist eine rundige Rotunda, right? In, I guess, sehr spät. Duve. Hello and welcome. Someone do C-SPAN doing that. Ivanka kicked us in the 1940s. Elon Musk twitched. Verwusst ist popular, Baron Trump? Weil ich meine, als mir ist mitgegangen, wenn ich ein Kind, und mir ist mitgefahren mit ihm, mit seinen Ages, you know? So I feel so wie man mitgewachsen mit ihm. Take off not financial advice. Liegt not financial advice. Liegt doch nicht not financial advice. Für 3 Stüber. Du für 3 Stüber. Die 3 Stüber. Sie derselbe Sound. Sie spielen das auf der... Thank you. We judge the conclusions. Richard Scott. Hello and welcome. Kijk eens, hij neemt aan de tanden. Oké, ik zoek eens met een bisschen bias. Don't get me wrong. Die Trump doet de meeste ausgespielt. We kennen nicht, man weiß nicht. He's frozen. Nope. Er neemt es aan zijn herrliche Platz. If you ever been there. Yeah, it's 12 Zeiger. This is the main thing. It's happening right now. Oh, du hast, wie heißt der? Schumer? The Schumer. The whip. Oh, that's that. Hearing aids. En is geherig in hearings. Hier neem Hitler. Spectre. Yeah. As face value, they're gonna do some good stuff. Schumer is your cousin. Dana White. What a mixture of people that. De oilem gesucht, man geht nicht kommen, sie geht an das, sie geht an jent. Jeder daten. Sie können sich überbeten. Sie wissen, dass Trump hat lieber bombastisch. So, wenn es dort nimmt, ist er auch mal ein bisschen favor. Hi, hello and welcome. Se feelt as if we in some gedodged a bullet, to be quite honest. Hold on, what's geschehen though? Thank you, Richard. C-SPAN had better coverage, so met gaan see C-SPAN. But met hearing the music, vind du. Whoa. Come on, they hit something else. Stel voor een warft out. That would be a terrible and a very interesting situation. Wäre the designated El Presidento of this geschehen? Du Lone Survivors, that movie wegen a TV show. She's beautiful. Ich auf andere
Ladies and
Frauen.
gentlemen, performing Oh America. Please welcome the Armed Forces Chorus
Sie
and
sagt mir.
America's tenor.
A Wischnitzer
Christopher
gerade,
D.
weil
Macchio.
so hoch geht. Du wird aber sicher, wenn die Geist daran bringst ein Mensch, der noch keinem ist gewesen, Rosh Hashanah in Aschiel, sucht er dieselbe Sache. We can do a music review now. Wir stellen alles zu. It feels like... Easy a lemmer. Good one, people. The mic system is good.
Late.
This is spät, by the way. Oh nein, kommt jetzt heraus, du auf C-SPAN. Wann ist keine Ahnung? Shine a suit though. Feel wie the Lion King. Ich will aber jumpen, wenn du zu tun. Ich dachte, C-SPAN hat bessere Views. Und du gehst unheimlich singen. Du fängst an jetzt singen und du ist es fahr dem. So, ich will jumpen von Video zu Video. Because this is mehr als a wide angle. Ich will sehen mehr als wie der Peinemer. Deze ook, the color is besser on C-SPAN.
The Honorable Jackie Barber, the Clerk of the House of Representatives, the Honorable Kevin F. McCumber, Mr. John Bessler, Mrs. Kelly Johnson, Mrs. Iris Weinshaw Schumer, and Mrs. Jennifer Scalise.
Du bekommst sehr Highlights. Man arbeitet 5, 6, 10 Jahre schwer, aber man soll recognizen du. But du auf C-SPAN ist bessere Color, sag besser der Color. But du singt noch. So ist ein Stückel. Ja. Der Vice President Swab, Indianer. Melania Trump. What a first lady. I think the next few minutes, I don't know. Panish Bekim the itinerary. He is inside already, of course. China Hitler. C-SPAN singt danach.
Ladies and gentlemen, escorting the President of the United States and the Vice President of the United States, ranking member of the Joint Congressional Committee on Inaugural Ceremonies, the Honorable Deb Fischer, House Democratic Leader, the Honorable Hakeem Jeffries, and Senate Majority Secretary, the Honorable Robert Duncan.
Bow to the king.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States, the Honorable Joseph R. Biden Jr., and Vice President of the United States, the Honorable Kamala Davy Harris.
Davy, I see. Hi, I'm Kamala. You can call me Davy. Oh, das, der geht drauf meinem zu waven, hallo? Da geht es, man trefft einen in der crowd, like, hello. Oh. Okay, man kann nicht so critical of jeder move. Er ist doch 85 years old. 89, weiß ich auch. He must feel like 2 cents. No, man hat ihn mal rausgeworfen. Er ist happy. It is
Ladies
fine,
and gentlemen, escorting the Vice President-elect, the Executive Director for the Joint Congressional Committee on Inaugural Ceremonies, Mr. Michael Wagner, Senate Deputy Sergeant-at-Arms and Doorkeeper, Jason Bell, and House Deputy Sergeant-at-Arms, Mr. Sean Keating.
Sei schreien, the President of the United States. Davy. J.D. Vance is there. Noch ist reingekommen. Mein jetzt kommt ran. Ba, 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 ba. A Disney movie.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Vice President-elect of the United
That's
States,
it.
the Honorable J.D. Vance.
Woo! What a good pick. What a good pick. Shia, the problem is I will nicht almost striken. So this seems like it's working. I don't want to... You know what I mean? Sag mal, wenn ich feel nicht so good about myself, tracht auf wie J.D. Vance. Muss ich hier in meinem Leben. Er ist schon Vice President. Das ist, was Education kann machen. Lass mal sehen, C-SPAN, wie C-SPAN halt. Der singt noch, du bei C-SPAN. Oh, nice, er ist live. Okay, jetzt gehen wir rüber zu C-SPAN. Okay, das ist mein Mistake. J.D. Vance. Oh, wie heißt der? Jeff Bezos. RFK Jr., du in the back. Okay. Der Oilem kommt sich zusammen, Die ganze Oilem kommt zu Daddy Trump. Kommt Kischen der Ringel. You read his book? Nope. Maybe I should. Questions was gaat samen met in de next 4 uur. Give it 2 years and heavy fighting. The question is, was will it in? Will laufen for president next? Hat sich halten in der Rahmen. So the question is, welche mean role geht nehmen? Active role, nicht der active role.
Escorting the president-elect, the staff director for the Joint Congressional Committee on Inaugural Ceremonies, Elizabeth Farah, House Sergeant-at-Arms, the Honorable William P. McFarland, Senate Sergeant-at-Arms and Doorkeeper, the Honorable Jennifer A. Hemingway, Senate Majority Leader, the Honorable John Thune, and the Joint Congressional Committee on Inaugural Ceremonies, House Democratic Leader, the Honorable Hakeem Jeffries, House Majority Leader, the Honorable Steve Scalise, Speaker of the House of Representatives, the Honorable Mike Johnson, Senate Democratic Leader, the Honorable Charles E. Schumer, Ranking Member of the Joint Congressional Committee on Inaugural Ceremonies, the Honorable Deb Fischer, and Chairwoman of the Joint Congressional Committee on Inaugural Ceremonies, the Honorable Amy Klobuchar.
Rosh Hashanah b'Afsok, azukter. The question is, who's guys on the next 4 years? Mit sehen, wieso es ist. Het is determinant. In 2 Uhr immer mit sehen, wo tut sich. Oh, ich finde mich sehr hoor dort. Der Rebbe.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President-elect of the United States,
The 45th
the Honorable Donald John Trump.
Woo! En wat eraan weer ja, boos. Also, ich habe schon nur gegeben, hit the like button. Get that 40 closest as possible. The left going crazy. AB Vines. Hello and welcome. Kick him Baron Trump, huh? He knows something. He knows something. Kick on Ilama. Kick on Schmeichel. Wenn gewonnen hat jeder eine gegeben a sigh of relief. I can tell you that much. Woo! Kick on enthusiasm. Come on. This is in the Capitol. USA. Yes, it does feel good.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated.
Sag besser wie in draußen. In draußen war es kalt und verfroren und allemaal. Maar we gesehen aber the crowds. But doet het in business. You know what I'm saying? 4 uur of swooping. I hope he makes a great speech.
Please welcome the chairwoman of the Joint Congressional Committee on Inaugural Ceremonies, the Honorable Amy Klobuchar.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the 60th presidential inauguration. Today, President-elect Trump and Vice President-elect Vance will take their oaths of office.
That's
and
right.
We will witness the peaceful transfer of power
Zoek
at
eens
the heart of our democracy.
Cyber attack?
For the past year, I've chaired the inaugural ceremony committee, which includes the leadership of Congress from both parties. We thank the committee and Capitol staff and law enforcement who worked so hard over the last year, and especially the last 3 days. You've done a beautiful job, and you have shown grace under pressure. Our theme.
Nochmal sein.